good morning. It's me, Alan, and this is kangaroo steak. I cooked it kind of medium rare-ish. It's funny because, you're eating your national animal, animal that's on coat of arms. But yeah, kangaroo is kind of a weird animal, so let's see how to make it. It's kind of a dark color, dark red. It's about $25 a kilo for where I got it. To be honest, I don't really know how many people eat it, but it seems to be consumed enough that even Woolies stocks it, a small amount. I had to tell you, but I have no idea which part of the kangaroo this is from. I didn't trim too much off, anything that was like little bits, but I'm sure if there was silver skin or anything tough like that, I would probably trim it off. I decided on this seasoning. The seasoning's coffee based. I've done this on tri-tip like a year ago, and I figured I might as well do it now because I bought kangaroo out of the sake of variety. I'm doing a cut, so I wanted to buy lean stuff, so yeah, it'd be worth trying. So salt, ratio of 2, garlic 1, chili 1, pepper, black pepper 1, and that is coffee, ground coffee, ratio of 4. Yeah, look, you're basically watching me not use a single binder because I am on a cut, and so stuff struggles to stick onto the kangaroo. I'm doing this as a simple meal, right? So leave and forget, I suppose. So the plan is basically putting it in the oven or like sous videing it for like 2 hours, long time, very low. So it's medium rare inside, and then just sear it on the outside. That's pretty much the plan. And yeah, look, if you're not confident with cooking steak, you just can't be bothered like paying attention to cooking steak on the barbecue, just do this for a couple hours and it produces good results, because that way you know what the internal temperature is and how well done it is, etc. I aim for about 50 Celsius, 52 inside, but you could go like 54 to 56, somewhere around there, to get closer to medium. Okay, not much has changed. I mean, visually, it's reasonably sort of not wet on the outside. Oh yeah, I'm gonna cook this. Now this should be pretty nice inside. Now look, after I, did oven cooking, I basically seared it like a regular steak. So on high heat, searing might be a bit more intuitive to people because you don't have to concern yourself with how hot that bad. Just as long as the water sort of dances on the pan the way it does. Give it that nice color. And then with basting, I kind of just turn the heat off because it's kind of hot as it is. I don't want to burn the butter, so I just chucked it in. But a kangaroo would serve well to have extra fat added to it. I didn't have any aromatics, so I just opted out for it. After you rest it for 4 or 5 minutes. Oh, fuck, it should be alright. I know it's going with the grain, but yeah, look how nice and pink and juicy that comes out. How does it taste different to beef? Because it does taste similar enough that you could compare it. It's actually really soft, even though you cut it with the grain. Interesting. This might be a good, I don't know, filet mignon substitute, I guess. It's sort of like similar leanness, but also like as soft, but I'm pretty sure it's like much cheaper. And obviously like it does taste a bit different. And you might think, oh, it's a little gamey, but like the smallest hint of it. But that's only because it's, you're not accustomed to eating it. But damn, it's not that bad. It was easy as to do, and look how nice and pink it is. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. I also do like other meat stuff because I like cooking meat, and sometimes it's barbecue, sometimes it's usually steak, but sometimes stewing stuff, but that's pretty much it.